In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Chrome on Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to stop Chrome from opening, remove it from your system, or switch to another browser, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is completely close Google Chrome. Make sure every Chrome window is shut down, and if it's running in the background, close it fully so it doesn't interfere with the uninstall process. Once Chrome is closed, go to your Start menu on Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 and open the Control Panel. This is where you manage installed programs and system settings on your computer. Inside Control Panel, look for the section called Programs, then click on Uninstall a program or Programs and Features. This will open a list of all the software installed on your PC. Now scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. Once you see it, click on it one time to highlight it. After selecting Google Chrome, look at the top of the window and click the Uninstall button. Windows will now begin removing Chrome from your computer. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen to confirm the uninstallation. Depending on your system, it may ask you to allow the program to make changes, so just approve it to continue. After that, the uninstall process will run and Chrome will be disabled by being removed from your Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 machine. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also check whether Chrome was your default browser and switch it to another browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox from your default program settings. That way, links won't keep trying to open in Chrome after it's gone. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled Google Chrome on Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 by uninstalling it through Control Panel. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.